Hello, today I have a little bit different video. Dehancer asked me if I would like to try out their plugin, and since I find the product very interesting, I agreed and in return received a license for the plugin. I represent my own opinion and Dehancer has no influence of the content. So now enjoy the video. I started with filmmaking about 3 years ago. I wanted to make cinematic travel videos. But I had a feeling that something important is missing. The videos didn't look as good as the big movies I love. But I found something that could be the solution for that. Dehancer. This is a film emulation tool that uses different film looks, halation, film grain and so on to create a more natural look and to achieve a better looking image. To find out what Dehancer can do, I took a few shots and tried it out. Dehancer is available for DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Lightroom, Final Cut and for more. Now I want to show you how to use Dehancer in DaVinci Resolve. So now let's start. We are actually in the edit page, so first we have to go to the color grading. So this was shot with the Osmo Pocket 3 and I used the D-Log-M profile. So I first used the conversion LUT from D-Log-M to Rec 709. In this case the color temperature was not perfect and I did some basic adjustments. And so that's the picture to begin with. Now we search for Dehancer in the effect library and add it to the new node. As you can see here, if you have a known camera, for example the Sony A7 IV, then you can select your profile and then you don't need an extra conversion LUT. For DJI the Pocket 3 is not available yet, and so I choose the Rec 709 and converted it before. So that's our starting point now. So first we have a lot of different profiles to choose from. And they give you a completely different starting point. In my case, I choose this one. And then you can also choose the print. With that you get a more colorful picture. And after that you can adjust the film grain. For me it's a little bit too much in my opinion. And so I reduced the ISO value and the amount a little bit. But of course that depends on what you want to do. And then you can also add halation and bloom and many more options. That's the log footage compared to the final look. What I like about Dehancer is that it's very easy to use and very powerful. If you want, you can adjust a lot of different parameters to match your own requirements, and with the plugin you can save a lot of time. What I don't like is the price point. In my opinion, it's a little bit too expensive. My last video from Jingdao was edited completely with Dehancer, so here's a short sequence from it. So, my final thoughts. It is a great tool and I will use it for my future projects, and I can recommend you to try it out for free, and then you can decide if you want to buy the full version. And with my code you can save 10% and you will also support my channel. Thanks for watching.